All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you are in my Math 7 course, you are struggling maybe right now on having to solve questions like this one in your homework. 15 equals 5x minus 3y. So I have a quick little video. If you feel like this guy right here without these questions, hopefully by the end of the video you're going to feel a little bit more like that guy, happy to know and understand the information. All right, so you want to know how to do this? No problem. Oh, sorry. Busy dancing over here. Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to solve for y. And this is just one method on how to do this, but this is what we've been working on so far in class. So here's the term I'm trying to solve for. I want to start off with subtracting 5x on both sides of the equation. All right, so on the left-hand side, I cannot combine these. These are not like terms, so I have to write them separately. So a negative 5x and a positive 15 equals. On this side, those two cross out, and I'm left with negative 3y. Almost done. My next step is then to divide by a negative 3. If I divide everything by negative 3, I will then get y by itself. On this side, a negative divided by negative is now positive. 15 divided by negative 3 is negative 5. And then over here, I get y. So there, done. Step number 1, solve for y. Step number 2 would be to make a t-chart. Okay, make yourself a little information chart. And so we're going to make a t-chart, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the little advanced way to do this. I know in class I talked about using the numbers negative 1, 0, 1, and 2, but because I'm dealing with a fraction, it is easier to use numbers that are multiples of that fraction, so of the denominator. So I'm going to use negative 3, 0, 3, and 6, and I'm going to show you how that makes life so much easier. Okay, so here I go. Negative 3, let's go 5 over 3 times negative 3 over 1 minus 5. If you're comfortable with cross-canceling, you will notice that this is going to turn into negative 5 minus 5, which is negative 10. There's my first answer. Go to the next one. 5/3 times 0 minus 5. Well, that's just 0 minus 5, which is negative 5. There's my answer. Go to the next one. 5/3 times 3 over 1 minus 5. Well, cross cancel, I get 5 minus 5, which equals 0. And you can kind of see what the pattern is happening here. It's increasing by 5 each time, so you can already tell me that this is going to be a 5, but I will prove to you that is the case. 5/3 times 6 over 1 minus 5. Well, cross cancel. 2 times 5 is 10 minus 5. Aha! I was right. I am a genius. No, wait a minute. That's not right. All right, so there you go. There are your coordinates. Step number 3 is just to plot them. So I'm going to go over here to my graph. I'm going to go negative 3, 1, 2, 3, negative 10. Ooh, I ran out, so I'm going to say that it's right here. Next one, 0, negative 5, right there. Then 3, 0, that's right there. And then 6, 5. Aha. You can see that I can connect these points, and it creates a nice, beautiful, perfect line, if I don't say so myself. And now I feel like this guy right there. So happy. Yay. Thank God he made a video. Goodness. Good. Anyway, that's one way you can graph. Hopefully that helps you out. And that was too long of a video. All right. See you in class.